Instead of wasting your time typing everything like this, type like this. Hey everyone, it's Praj's Tech Lab. Voice typing has way more features than you think. First, let's enable voice typing. Simply press Windows plus H on your keyboard, and the voice typing tool will pop up. You can use this anywhere: Notepad, Word, browsers, and even messaging apps. Now, let's test it. Click on the microphone icon, then start speaking. Hello guys, I am using voice typing in Windows 11. Now, let's talk about some useful voice commands. These can help you format text, delete words, and navigate easily. Delete that deletes the last word typed. Select that selects the last word typed. Backspace. This does the backspace function. Tab. This does the tab function. Press space. This moves the cursor one space forward. For punctuation, say open single quote. This opens the single quote. Close single quote. This closes the single quote. To add hyphen, just say minus sign. You can explore the punctuation commands on your own from the link given in the description. Here are some pro tips for the best experience with voice typing. Speak clearly at a moderate speed for better accuracy. Check your microphone settings if recognition is poor. And that's how you can master voice typing in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Praj's Tech Lab for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.